Good morning, 2A. So this week for phonics, we are going to be talking about abbreviations. So I'm going to share my anchor chart that I have on my screen here. So an abbreviation is a short way to write a word. So what kinds of things do we usually abbreviate? We usually abbreviate the titles of people, days of the week, months of the year, and other things that aren't on this list are we abbreviate measurement, and some like street names and things like that. So the most important thing to remember about abbreviation is that abbreviations start with a capital letter most of the time, and they end with a period. So for example, if I was going to abbreviate the day of the week, Sunday, I'm going to write my abbreviation for Sunday is S, capital S-U-N, period. So we just cut off the word day. So sometimes when people are writing, they don't want to write the whole word Sunday, so they abbreviate it like that. We also can do the same for Monday is M-O-N, Tuesday is T-U-E-S. Most of them are just, they drop the word day from it. The difference here though, there it is Wednesday, because Wednesday is a really long word. So we abbreviate Wednesday just with W-E-D. And notice I'm putting a period at the end of all of these. So that's how we abbreviate that. And the other difference too would be Saturday. We also abbreviate S-A-T. So we can abbreviate days of the week, but we can also abbreviate months of a year. And almost every month has an abbreviation except for some of the shorter months. So for January, we write J-A-N. February, we write F-E-B. So March, some people don't abbreviate, but if you wanted to, you could do M-A-R. For April, again, another one just like March. Oops, oh, there we go. Just like March, some people don't abbreviate it because it's shorter, but if you wanted to, you could do A-P-R. May, we don't abbreviate because it's too short. June, we usually don't abbreviate. July, we usually don't abbreviate. August, we do though. We write A-U-G. September, we definitely do because it's a very long one. So we write S-E-P-T for that one. Most of the time it's 3 letters, but sometimes it can be more. October, we do O-C-T, period. Notice these all start with a capital. November is N-O-V, period. And December is D-E-C, period. Now I can move this down. Oops, maybe not. Might not let me move down my text here, but you saw as I said them, and you can always go back in the video and rewind if for some reason, there we go, you can't see them. So that's what we're going to be focusing on today. So on Wednesday, we'll talk a little bit more about other things that are abbreviated, but today we're just going to focus on our days of the week and our months of the year. So what you're going to do is you are going to play a Kahoot. So I'm going to share that with you right now. So I'm here on month and weekday abbreviations. So I'm going to type my name in. And it's already starting to load. And notice there's 17 questions. So it wants to know, what is the abbreviation for February? And it gives you a couple options and they want you to pick the best one. So remember, it has to have a capital letter and a period at the end. It has to start with a capital and end with a period. So which one of those does that? I think it's this one. Yep, because this one doesn't have a period. This one's all capitals, which is not correct. And this one is all capitals, and it does have a period, but still we need to only capitalize the first letter of the abbreviation. And so you're going to keep playing all through 17. If you need to, you can always think about the spelling of the word is going to be really important, especially because it's in that question. It will say, what is the abbreviation for February? If you get stuck, look at the first couple letters, and usually that gives you a pretty big hint about what it is. And then if you remember the rules about it starting with a capital and ending with a period, then you should be all set. So if you have any questions, you can send me a message on Class Dojo or an email, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope everyone has a terrific Monday, and I will see you soon.